see all of them sitting on front? On really hot days, they cover the whole front just stacked on there. Hopefully they're out, you know, actually getting honey and stuff, and all of them aren't where I'm gonna be messing with them. Because recently I decided I don't even wear the pants anymore. They go for my face. They go for your breath. This has kind of been a pain to light sometimes and get it to stay rolling. Oh, put it all. It just stinks. I wish you could light it from the bottom, or there was a better way. Did it roll? It's a lot busier than last time, which that's a big plus. Or that's a good sign. What? I get scared so quick. Well, they're working, but it doesn't look like they have much of anything for me. Like, you can hear them, they're all talking. You do wonder, it's like all of them are up there working. All right, boys or girls, you need to get off so I can put the lid back on. I think they've kind of found me. I don't know. I'll have to pick that up later for you. One plus I can kind of take away from it is there's a lot more work going on up there. Like all the frames, there's a ton of bees on them, but there was like no comb drawn out. So it's kind of one of those, what do you do to stimulate growth? Like, do I feed them more syrup, which I kind of don't want to do, or do I just feed them more pollen? I think we're past the pollen rush now. I don't know. May not get honey this year.
They've got plenty of clover and stuff around here.
Mm-hmm. I know they get nectar from it, but I think the pollen rush has already kind of happened. I think it was earlier in the season. I don't know. It's a good sign that they're working up there, though. I can kind of live with that and at least go they're healthy and starting to expand or starting to identify that they actually have it. Last year they didn't even touch that top box. Yeah, if they don't expand to that top box, I'm not harvesting anything.